Let's cook dinner together. Are you going to eat or pass? Let me know in the comments.
If I count all the blessings one by one, see the battles you fought and already won. When I look at my life, I testify. It's your grace that brought me through every time. I was lost, but you found me, held my hand. Even when I didn't understand, now my heart can't stay silent.